Have you ever heard about hibiscus tea? This natural drink has become more and more popular, and for good reason. Hibiscus tea is not only tasty, but it also brings surprising health benefits. But what exactly is hibiscus tea good for? It's considered a powerful ally for weight management, helps reduce water retention, improves blood circulation, and even supports healthy blood pressure levels. On top of that, it's a rich source of powerful antioxidants that protect the heart, fight free radicals, and strengthen the immune system. Let's take a closer look at the main benefits of hibiscus tea. The first one is its role in weight management. Many people include hibiscus tea in their daily routine because it helps boost metabolism, making it easier to burn fat while reducing that uncomfortable bloating. Thanks to its natural diuretic effect, it helps the body flush out excess fluids and toxins, leaving you feeling lighter and more balanced. Another important benefit is its effect on blood circulation. Hibiscus tea contains compounds that help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and assisting in the management of high blood pressure. This effect also contributes to better heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Speaking of the heart, hibiscus is also known to help lower levels of bad cholesterol, the so-called LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL. That makes it a true natural protector of the cardiovascular system. And we can't forget about the antioxidants in hibiscus tea. They help fight premature aging, strengthen the immune system, and give you more energy and vitality for everyday life. Drinking a cup of hibiscus tea regularly can be a simple habit with very positive long-term results for your health. Now, let's talk about the practical side of hibiscus tea. It is super easy to prepare and can be enjoyed hot during colder days or iced as a refreshing drink in the summer. It's natural, free of artificial additives, and can be easily added to your daily routine. It also has a lightly tart flavor that many people find pleasant, especially compared to more bitter herbal teas. Another advantage is that you can combine hibiscus tea with other natural ingredients, like ginger, cinnamon, or even mint. These combinations enhance its effects and make the flavor even more enjoyable. But of course, not everything is perfect. There are a few precautions you should know about. Hibiscus tea is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as it may interfere with pregnancy. It also shouldn't be consumed in excess by people with very low blood pressure, since it can make that condition worse. The ideal amount is moderate consumption, about 2 to 3 cups a day. Now tell me, did you already know how many advantages and benefits hibiscus tea can bring? Sometimes a simple change in your daily routine can make a huge difference in your well-being. And adding a natural drink like this one is an easy, affordable step that really works. So these were the main facts about hibiscus tea. What it is, what it's good for, its health benefits, advantages, and also the precautions you need to keep in mind. And now I want to hear from you. Do you already drink hibiscus tea? What has been the biggest benefit you've noticed? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to know about these benefits, and subscribe for more natural health, wellness, and lifestyle tips.